Hello everyone! Glad to have you here and welcome back to our channel. As always, I hope you're safe and having a great day. For today's DIY, I will show you how I made this beautiful Glam wall art mirror. Unfortunately, I don't have a before picture, but the frame was a light green color. And if you love Glam home decor as I do, I hope this inspires you to create this or even a better one for your home. So here are the items I will be using today. I will leave a complete list down in the description box below. I started off spray painting the frame on the mirror with a metallic finish spray paint that I purchased from Home Depot. I first laid out the 12 round mirrors to make sure they fit perfectly in the mirror frame. I also removed the back tabs at the back of the mirrors so that they will lay completely flat on the surface. I then applied E6000 glue and hot glue to the mirrors to make sure they're glued down securely and they won't fall off. I added 4 additional mirrors as well, 2 in the center and 1 at each end. Now I'm adding the smaller mirrors. I have the square shape as well as a circle shape, and I'm also placing gems on top of them. All these mirrors I did purchase from Amazon. The large round mirrors, I did get them from Dollar Tree. I'll leave a link in the description box below for all the items that I did purchase from Amazon. I laid out all the mirrors and the gems before I secured them with the hot glue. I just wanted to make sure I'm satisfied with my design before I made it permanent, and this is a practice I always follow, especially when I'm creating on the go. Now I'm going to start securing all my gems and mirrors with the hot glue. Now I'm adding the Rhinestone Bling Wrap to the side of the frames. This Bling Wrap I did purchase from Amazon. I used it multiple times on this channel for other DIY videos. I love this Bling Wrap. It's so shiny. It adds so much glam to anything that you're creating. But you can also use any other wrap that you choose, but this one is my go-to, and as you can see, it is glamorous. I am using a hot glue to secure the Bling Wrap to the frames. I didn't use the E6000. The hot glue works pretty good and keeps it secured in place. I also decided to add the rhinestone to the 2 mirrors in the center and the 2 at both ends. I really love how this mirror turned out. It looks so beautiful in glam on the wall. It just brightens up the room. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram. We post content on there on a daily. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to share and subscribe and like. And as always, stay safe and may God bless. Bye, guys. Hey, don't forget to check out our other videos. We post a new video every week on this channel. MC Glam Home DIY.